a B.Tech highest package of 44.14 LPA, a lineup of top recruiters, state-of-the-art labs and excellent infrastructure. Pursuing B.Tech at MIT World Peace University comes along with a lot of advantages. In this video, we will tell you how B.Tech at MIT-WPU is different than others. In 2023, the highest package offered here soared to a remarkable 44.14 LPA. Over 1,600 top companies, including industry giants like Bosch, Nvidia, Amdocs, KPMG, Godrej, and Cisco, visited campus for placements. The median package hit 6 LPA in 2023, reflecting a steady increase since 2021. Moreover, students benefit from 6-month internships with leading firms like Tata Motors, Volkswagen, John Deere, Mercedes-Benz, and more, with internship stipends reaching up to 80,000 rupees per month. MIT-WPU offers a good spectrum of around 16 B.Tech programs, including the in-demand options like gaming technology, robotics and automation, and cybersecurity and forensics. These programs ensure that as a B.Tech student, you get the tailor-made courses for a great engineering career. Plus, a 6-year integrated B.Tech program after 10th is also available here in 6 programs, including cutting-edge fields like AI and smart infrastructure. The outstanding academics and focus on research and world-class infrastructure has made MIT-WPU an institution of repute. Ranked in the 101 to 150 rank band in the NIRF Engineering Rankings of 2024, the institution is a proud Diamond awardee in QS iGauge Indian University Rankings and holds accreditation from the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. For B.Tech courses, MIT-WPU offers its students over 2,000 scholarships annually. This makes the education of B.Tech students here more accessible. Spread across a 65+ acre campus, the institute offers 350+ high-tech classrooms and 140+ labs, including automation lab, artificial intelligence machine learning lab, electrical machines and control lab, switchgear and renewable energy lab, and smart grid lab. The highlight, a world-class subsea lab developed in collaboration with Acre Solutions, where civil and petroleum engineering students gain hands-on training. But it's not all work and no play. The campus features an eco-park, yoga lawns, an open-air amphitheater, and well-furnished on-campus and off-campus hostels. Additionally, students can enjoy comprehensive sports facilities for gymnastics, swimming, cricket, athletics, boxing, and more. MIT-WPU has partnerships with over 230 corporates for training, research, and development. It offers cutting-edge opportunities through industry-sponsored centers of excellence. These centers provide a dynamic learning experience that bridges theory with real-world expertise. The faculty is the USP here. Here, the B.Tech faculty comprises of renowned experts with outstanding research backgrounds, boasting numerous publications and patents, holding PhDs from prestigious national and international institutions such as IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Varanasi, University of Pittsburgh, and South Dakota State University. The teachers here bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the classroom. The curriculum is further enhanced by industry visits, guest lectures, seminars, and workshops conducted by eminent researchers and professionals from leading organizations like Sybase, Intellimint, Barclays, and Cisco. It also has a fully technology business incubator like MIT-TBI. It features co-working spaces and a rapid prototyping lab, specially designed for student startups. And with partnerships like CapSavvy, Jan International Trade Organization, and the Global Alliance for Mass Entrepreneurship, the institute offers unmatched funding, mentorship, and networking opportunities. Till date, over 50 startups have been supported, raising over 25 crore in funding. The university provides exciting study abroad opportunities to B.Tech students who are eager to explore the world. With student and faculty exchange programs, internships, twinning and exchange initiatives, and immersive summer and winter programs, students here gain a lot of global exposure. It has partnerships with over 40 prestigious universities, including Deakin University, University of Vermont, Eastern Michigan University, Virginia Commonwealth University, and SRH University, offering a truly transformative international experience. In case you want to know more, download the shiksha.com app now. We would also love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.